What about you folks, it's Lee here. I'm back to show you some of the items that I've made with the Beebeecraft.com beads. So if you want to know how to make these beautiful little Christmas charms, these are wee angels. And these can also be made into earrings if you want. I just happen to make these ones into like wee handbag charms. And then I've got candy cane earrings, using the bicones and the beads, and also these gorgeous, really cute wee Christmas Santa earrings as well. So if you want to know how I made all these, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make these wee angels, and I'm going to do different designs and different sizes as well, just so that they can be different. You can use them as bag charms or put them on your key ring, or you can actually make these independents and earrings for jewellery if you want, but I'm just going to show you how to make some of these. This is using the Beebeecraft beads, they're glass pearl beads, and the other bits and pieces are from my own stash, things I've collected over the years. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of sizes, different size wee heads as well. They don't all have to be pearl, but it's whatever you want yourself. This is an 80mm head pin, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put on one of these pearls. These are just acrylic, these ones I have in my stash, and that can be the body of the angel. And then put on these wee wings. These are different from the first design, so I'll try those. You can try them that way or this way, I suppose. Let me see what this looks like. Yeah, I might try them that way. And then this is the glass pearl bead from Beebeecraft. I think this is the 10mm one, so it's quite big. And then I'm going to use a rondelle as the little angel halo. That actually looks quite cute. So yeah, I'm pleased with that design. I don't glue them because I do the hook quite tight, so they stay together pretty well. You can glue them if you want. If you prefer them to feel a bit more secure, you can do that. That's perfectly fine, but I tend to not. They're fine. I mean, look, it's holding really well, so there's no need, in my opinion, but you do you, boo. So do I want a wee bead cap over the top? Yeah, I think I do. I think I want a bead cap over the top as well, so I'll just take those off. I've come back with a bead cap. I'm going to use this wee silver tulip style that I used in the first one. So I've put the bead back on, and then the wee tulip. Yeah, that looks cute. And then the wings, I've done them that way, upside down. And then I'll go for the 10mm glass pearl and a rondelle. Oh look, that's so cute. Yep, I like that. So we're going to go for that. So I'll do that on the next one then. Pearl, bead cap, wing, glass pearl, and a rondelle. And then I've got these wee hooks, lobster clasp, and just a wee D-ring or an O-ring here as well. So I will make this into a circle. I'm not the best at doing this, but does the job. Looks good. And then just cut that off. Excellent. And then just tighten it up, just so that my wee D-ring doesn't come off. Put this onto the lobster clasp then. And then, where'd it go? Oh, onto the angel. Close that up, and there you go. There's the wee angel charm finished. That's that one. These are the ones that I made earlier, so they have a smaller head on them. That's about an 8 or a 6mm pearl. I think it's 8. Possibly 6. And you don't have to just do them all pearl. You could have the wee pearl head with some crystals. So this is one I made with crystals. And I used, instead of wings, I just used another crystal bead to make it look like the wee collar on the angel. So I've got another 80mm head pin. I've got a crystal. I think I'll put a big cup on the bottom of it there, just to give it a bit more decoration. So wee silver bead cap. Put the crystal on then. And then this crystal. Then the glass pearl from Beebeecraft. And then another rondelle as the wee halo. Oh, that's really cute. Like that. And then I think I'll make this into a charm as well. So we just bend that back. Take the round nose pliers and try to make a loop successfully. As best as I can. I know it looks awkward because I'm left-handed, but it's the way I am. And that looks good to me. And then just cut it off. Those pliers are brilliant. And then just use these to close the wee hole over. And then that can be added to a bale or whatever you want. So that's it. That's my tutorials on how to make the candy cane earrings. Little angels. There's a couple of types there. And the little Santa earrings as well. They're so cute. I like those. I'll probably wear those on Christmas Day. That's it for now, folks. If you like these videos, if you like my tutorials, please give it a thumbs up. I think that's what I meant to say. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click the like button and all that stuff. If you want to buy me a coffee, you can. My coffee link is down below, but there's no obligation, obviously. But I'll see you in the next video. I think the next video is possibly going to be a bookbinding tutorial or me decorating a book of some kind, I think. But I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!